welcome back to my channel. I'm Holly and I'm here with an unboxing of Essentials by Kikarose, and this is the best smelling jewelry box in the world. So here's what it looks like when it comes to your home, and I've already cut it open so we can get right into this video. This box is $29 a month, and it is Essentials by Kikarose is the best smelling jewelry subscription box in the world. The jewelry subscription box for people who love pretty jewelry and want a subtle way to reap the benefits of aromatherapy. Think of it as self-indulgent self-care. The item is in the box. It includes like a piece of essential oil jewelry, kind of like where you can wear your jewelry and you can put essential oils on it, and then you can smell the essential oils. So that's pretty much what it is. So here's what it looks like when you open the box up. It's a cute little box, right? Nice pink tissue paper. So let's see what we have in here. I'm gonna rip my tissue paper back, I think. There we go. So I ripped the tissue paper back, and that's what it looks like when we pull our tissue paper back. Oh, ooh. And then there's like a little, there we go. I'm not sure what that is. I'm going to pull that out. Move the tissue paper out of the way. And, okay, I don't know what that is. Oh, there's a little tiny bottle right here. And that is it in there. Okay, let's see what's going on here. It says, hello, gorgeous. Welcome to your October Lavender Bliss Essentials by Kikarose box. Allow me to congratulate you on choosing such a delightful way to take care of yourself. Your October Lavender Bliss box contains an essential oils diffusing ring in your size, a desktop clay diffuser. Oh, that must be what this is, a desktop clay diffuser. Okay. A bottle of Lavender Bliss essential oil blend. A little info about lavender and its amazing benefits. Okay. All right. So this is the little baggie, and our ring is inside of here. So that is what is, oh, okay, that is what's inside. Alrighty. So here is, now they said this is an essential oil diffusing ring in your size. So that is what that looks like. So, okay. I have to check this. I'll move it over there. All right. Well, it doesn't quite fit. It's a little too big. It's a little too big. It's going to fall right off my finger. But anyway, that's what the ring looks like. There. I'll show you from the side. And then you would take your essential oil. Oh, let me show you what the essential oil, it's a little tiny cute bottle. There's the essential oil, and it's the Lavender Bliss, and then there's their logo right there. There. And then you take this, and you would, and then there's the, what is that? The clay, I think, but it's the diffuser. And then you would take that and then put it on there. See, there's some on there. And then that would sit on your ring, and you can have your oils right on your ring. And then that you can wear your jewelry and your essential oils at the same time. You can smell it. So, I really wish that this ring, oh yeah, it could fit on there. Can fit right on my middle finger. there, I'll put it, rub it in that stone so it doesn't come off. There we go. There we go. There. Now I can put my other ring back on my other finger so I don't lose that one. There we go. Perfect. Perfect. Now, there we go. So then this sits right on your desk. So I can put my essential oils, put this one in here, and put it right on this. There we go. I couldn't get it out. Now I got a little bit much on there, but anyway, put it on there. See how I have it on there? And then you just leave it sitting on your desk. And I'll just leave it sitting right here on my desk so I can smell it while I'm sitting here working. So that will work as well. And then it says, it gives you a little card here about lavender bliss. The fragrance from the oils of the lavender plant is believed to help promote calmness and wellness. It is also said to help reduce stress, anxiety, and possibly even mild pain. So when you feel overwhelmed or anxious, breathe in some lavender and let it all fade away. Well, I hope that works because I have a slight headache right now. So I hope it works. And it says, this ring and desktop diffuser are designed to diffuse essential oils so you can surround yourself with the benefits of aromatherapy. Take the small bottle included in your order and add a tiny drop to the lava bead on your ring or to the top of your desktop diffuser. This month's blend is called Lavender Bliss. It's both calming and uplifting. I hope it brings a little joy and serenity to your day. All the oils included in By Kikarose blends are made by Young Living and are of the purest quality possible. You can learn more about these oils and order more at KikaroseOils.com. So that's nice. That is it. That is what is in my Kikarose box this month, and this box is $29 a month. And if you'd like to get your own Kikarose essential oils box, I will leave the link below, and you can head on over to Crate Joy and get your own Kikarose box. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button on your way out. And that is it for this video. And I will see you guys next time. And there's my ring. That is it, my friends. I'll see you guys next time. Bye now.